Oh, what's this? It's gonna take a minute. A package. Oh my god. Okay, as I was saying, yeah, it's here. I freaking stabbed through the bag. Oh, I see the first plush. Sun Shroom. I got, okay, what they got, they at least got the Sun Shroom, right? Okay. From some photos, they use the, Earthing Shroom. Colonel Pole, oh my, I actually like this. Colonel Pole. Jalapeno. Oh my gosh. This is the one where the frickin' lily pad does not come off. There's another one. Another purple zombie. I'm gonna turn this guy into a custom. Can you tell who it is? No, me neither. So I'm gonna turn this guy into, I'm gonna turn this into a scuba soldier. Next up is a newer pea shooter. This guy is actually soft. Oh, I actually might. Yeah, I'm using this. I'm using this from a series. If you're wondering, I'm gonna turn him, her, and her into new characters. A newer apple bomb. Looks pretty nice. Another marigold. I actually might use this actually. I was gonna use that to make shadow flower because I want to make stuffy flower. Melon pult. Super nice. I'll unbox this later actually. Is there a freaking... There it is. It's out now. The re-released Jasper Sunflower. It's tag. It's so soft. I actually like this plush. I might keep the hang tag. This is the re-released Jasper's one. See? It's official. My first official PvZ plush. She's small. I bought that for a reason. Another basic zombie. Wow. Okay, so I said you just lazy and just get the rest of them out. So, another saying, yeah, another basic. You're turning into an all-star. So, another walnut. Pretty nice guy. Chomper 1 redesign. I'm making this Chomper 2. Another squash, but it's not as nice as that one for some reason. Here's a newer Snoopy. She's really soft. I'm gonna use that as Frosty now. Do not ask what's wrong with my voice, okay? So I'm gonna turn it to Loki now, and then the newer Sunflower. Turn this into Sunny. So I'm gonna turn those two and hand to Shadow, Pea, Stuffy Flower, and Blueberry Shear. That's it now. Holy cow. Alright, say goodbye.